In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Comerica Bank if you need help with your account, card services, or general banking support. The easiest place to start is directly on Comerica's official website. Begin by going to the Comerica site. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official website so you can access the correct support information. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the Contact Us link. This section is useful because it brings together several support options in one place, making it easier to find the right phone number based on the type of help you need. One option you'll see is self-service banking. This is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through the automated voice system. With self-service banking, you can check your account balance, transfer funds, stop a check, and handle other basic banking tasks without waiting for a live agent. This is a great option if you need quick help outside normal business hours or if you want to complete simple tasks efficiently. If you'd rather speak with a live representative, you can use the same main support number. Representatives are available Monday through Friday from 8 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. This support line is intended for personal, small business, wealth management, and commercial banking customers. If your issue is more specific or requires account-level assistance, this will usually be the best route. For help with personal or business debit cards and ATM cards, there's a separate dedicated support number available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's also an additional number for use outside of the United States and Canada, which is also available around the clock. This is especially helpful if you're traveling or dealing with a card issue while abroad, since card-related problems often need immediate attention. If your issue involves a credit card instead, the Contact Us page also lists separate phone numbers for personal credit cards and business credit cards. Support for credit card services is available Monday through Friday from 8 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Using the correct number here can save time and help you get to the right department faster. As a quick tip, before calling, it can help to know whether your issue is related to general banking, a debit or ATM card, or a credit card. That way you can choose the right contact option right away. That's how to contact Comerica Bank using the official website and the support options listed on the Contact Us page.